Okay, welcome back everyone. Welcome to the channel. So today we are going to learn about very interesting project, that is how to interface LDR, that is line dependent register, with the Arduino. Now, first of all, I have created this using the Tinkercad. This circuit is created using the Tinkercad. Let's see. So how this circuit works, and after that we'll see step by step how to interface the LDR with the Arduino. So first of all, let me give you the demo how it works. So I'll just click on the simulator. I have taken the output of LDR on the serial monitor of the Arduino. So let's see here. आप देख सकते हो, I have started the simulation. मैंने यहाँ पे simulation start कर दिया है. Let's click on the code, and now you can see the values on the serial monitor. It's continuously 54 now. Now just a second, I'll just make it to the left side so that I can able to control the LDR sensors output. Okay, so now so now you can see the output is 54. Let's increase the value of LDR sensor to bit. Now if you increase to the left side, it means there is a darkness. If you increase towards the right side, then you can see the value is increasing. The analog value is increasing. That means the brightness is increasing. The intensity of the light is increasing. So यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो कि जो analog value आपकी वो बढ़ रही है. Now how to interface the LDR with the Arduino, वो देखते हैं अपन कैसे ऐसे interface कर सकते हैं. So let's see, you can see, and even you can see the graph of these changing values. Now it's constant, now it's changing. You can see the graph as well. Okay, so let's make this project. So I'll stop the simulation now. Go to the code. Yeah. So first of all, I'll delete everything now. Okay, so you need to take the Arduino from the components. So I'll just click here on the all components. Okay. Now let's go for the LDR. Let's go for the LDR. Search for the LDR. It's a photoresistor. Now LDR means it's a light dependent resistor, जिसका resistance लाइट की इंटेंसिटी पर डिपेंड करता है. जैसे ही लाइट की इंटेंसिटी उसके ऊपर आएगी तो उसका रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो कम जाता है, राइट. So that's why it's called LDR, that is line dependent resistor. Now we have taken the LDR. Okay, so now you cannot directly interface the LDR with the Arduino. So first of all, we need to create the voltage divider. We need to create the voltage divider. So what is voltage divider? So I will explain you later. If you want separate video on the voltage divider, just let me know. So I'll go. Yes, I need a resistor now. I need a simple resistor. One resistor. Connect it here. I'm not using here a breadboard. You can use a breadboard as well, but I don't have too much of wiring, so that's why I'm not using the breadboard. So for too much of wiring, I'll just suggest you to use the breadboard. So let's go to the So click on this and just change the value to 10 here. Okay, and let's connect it. Now let's do the connections. I'll connect it. I'll just connect one terminal of this to the analog input, that is A0. Okay, and the next one is I will connect this to the ground terminal. Let's connect it to the ground. Okay, and the another one is that is connected to the positive terminal that we have to connect. Okay. Connected to the +5 को connect कर दीजिए आप. Just a second. I'll draw it from here, this side. Let's connect. Yeah. So you can give the different color notation. It's a +5, so I'll give the red. So this is all your. This is your. Let's make it black. Okay, and this should be the yellow in color. Okay, this is your analog output. Okay, now so you have successfully done the connections. Okay, so now this is a very important part of the coding. This is the very important part of this tutorial, that you need to code this. So you can code this in also in C as well as in block coding. So I'll just do this for in both, that is अभी अपन इसे दोनों में कोडिंग करेंगे, ब्लॉक्स में as well as in C. Okay, you can see the C coding it changes here. Arduino coding is changing on the right side. You can see now there is nothing. Okay, so this is the basic. Now I have created one variable, I guess. Yeah, I need to delete that variable as well. So I have created one. I have deleted that variable as well. Yes, I am not able to delete it. I don't know why. Okay, ठीक है, कोई problem नहीं. Just a second, I'll click one second, block and text. Okay. So I'll create one variable. I'll create a variable, and the name of the variable is like LDR sensor. I'll give the shortest name. I'll write now LDR. Okay. So you have created one variable, that is LDR. You can see on the right side in the Arduino coding that you have created one. This is the previous what I got. It's a previous variable, and this one is my variable, that is LDR equals to 0. Now it's very 0. Let's set this LDR to, now you can see, let's set this LDR to analog input, read analog pin A0. यानी अभी ये जो आपका LDR है, इसमें जो है अभी जो भी एनालॉग पिन में जो वैल्यू आ रही है, यानी जो भी एनालॉग पिन A0 में वैल्यू आ रही होगी LDR से, वो आपके LDR वेरिएबल में स्टोर होगी. बेसिकली वेरिएबल इज नथिंग बट it can use to store the values, it can use to store the strings, you can store decimals as well. Okay, so here we are storing the integers, that the value is coming from the LDR sensor, analog value. Okay, so now I want to print this value on the serial monitor. So for that, go to the output. अब ये वैल्यू अगर आपको सीरियल मॉनिटर पे लाना है तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो print to serial monitor. So let's connect it here and go to the variable and select LDR, take it here. Okay, you can see now. If you are not able to see, I can just show it. Now we have set the LDR to read analog pin 0, and यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो आपका सब ऑटोमेटिकली Arduino की कोडिंग भी हो जाएगी आपकी. अगर आपको ये सेम प्रोजेक्ट आपको फिजिकल हार्डवेयर में करना है, still you can able to do that. You can download this coding, that .ini file, or you can just copy paste all the coding. Okay, and paste it in an Arduino environment. I'll just show you that as well. Okay. So now ये हो गया आपका. हाँ. Okay. So now we have done with the coding. Let's see, is it working? So I'll just make it on the right side, left side, with the left side, so that. Just a second. Let's make it on the right side so that I can adjust the value of LDR. Go to the coding. Let's go to the block. Only just make it block and start simulation. So now you can see the values. Just increase the value, you can increase the value, and you can see the graph as well. So this is how you can interface the LDR sensor. Now based on these values, you can add different conditions, like after increasing this much of value, you can play buzzer, you can play LED, you can blow the LEDs, right? So I just wanted to give the demo of that as well. So let's go to the coding. Just go to the coding and we'll go to the control statement first, and we'll go here if then else. Okay, and inside if then else I'll go to the maths. आप देख सकते हैं मैथ में आपको इसका शेप मिलेगा सेम जैसा. अभी आपको करना क्या है, मान लो आपको अंधेरा होने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली लाइट ग्लो करना है. जब अंधेरा हो जाएगा लाइट ग्लो करना है. When there is a darkness, the light should glow. So for that, what you need to do is that, let's see. And I wanted to add sound effect as well. So let's go to one. Let's take one LED here. Take the LED and buzzer as well. Let's take the LED and buzzer. Just a second. I'm taking too much of time. ये वीडियो थोड़ा बड़ा जरूर बनेगा, लेकिन आपको मैं पूरा ट्यूटोरियल अच्छे से समझाऊंगा. Let's see. I have taken one buzzer and we need LED. Where is the LED? Yeah. So here you can take the LED. So आपको जो कलर चाहिए आप ले लीजिए. I like the green color, so I choose the green color. हाँ. So आपको LED कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कनेक्ट करिए. हाँ. So this is the positive terminal of the LED. So I'll just take this positive terminal. connect it to the pin number digital pin 4. Okay, this is the ground, this is also positive, and this is also, this is negative. So you can connect this negative terminal to the ground. So you know that, just a second, here you have a ground terminal, right? So you can connect here, right, directly. Okay, now let's go to the, it looks quite messy, but still, if you don't understand, you can directly comment. Okay, now connect it to the, here, from here to there, connected to the terminal, digital pin 3. Okay, so let's make this color is red, so that you can understood that this is the positive terminal. This should also be red. Okay, हाँ, so इसका नेगेटिव टर्मिनल आप यहीं पे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली, ये भी आप यहीं पे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, डोंट वरी. So let's make it black. Let's make it black. ये थोड़ा मेसी दिख रहा होगा आपको, but it's easy. Okay, so go to the coding. हाँ, अगर वैल्यू, मैंने अगर LDR की वैल्यू, मैंने अंधेरा होता है तो आपको पता है अंधेरा होता है तो वैल्यू कम होती है इसकी. So if the value is less than, let's say less than, we'll say less than 100, then we need to blow the LED. Okay, so आउटपुट में जाइए, सेट पिन, कौन से पिन पे कनेक्ट किया आपने LED, आपने किया कनेक्ट 4 नंबर, go to the 4 and let's say it's high for, ये हाई हो जाएगा. उसके बाद नाउ यू वांट टू, जैसी वैल्यू बढ़ेगी उसको आपको क्या करना है, ऑफ करना है. सो लेट्स मेक इट ऑफ व्हेन द वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 100. मीन जब आपका ब्राइटनेस बढ़ेगा, यानी जब दिन रहेगा तो लो रहेगा. ओके, सो नाउ इफ यू वांट टू प्ले दिस साउंड, आई हैव स्पीकर, प्ले स्पीकर, यू कैन कनेक्ट हियर विद पिन नंबर 3. पिन नंबर, यू हैव पिन नंबर 3 पे अपन ने कनेक्ट किया स्पीकर को. So let's see whether it's working or not. Let's see. So you can see. Just a second. We need to, yeah, you can see here we have not changed the LED pin number 4. That's why your LED is turning on. Now let's check once again. Now it's less than 100. Now it's off. Now why your buzzer is turning on for so long time? Buzzer इतनी देर क्यों बज रहा है, आप कोडिंग में देख सकते हो. इसमें 1 सेकंड की है, आप इसमें टाइम कम कर दीजिए, सेकंड्स आप कम कर दीजिए, तो आपका ये टाइम कम हो जाएगा. ओके, सो आपको इसका अगर ऑर्डिनो कोड चाहिए तो आप इसका ब्लॉक टेक्स्ट में चाहिए, और ये आप पूरा का पूरा कोडिंग यहाँ से कॉपी कर सकते हो. यहाँ से पूरा कोडिंग आप लीजिए, ऐसे पूरा कोडिंग Ctrl+C करिए, आपका ऑर्डिनो ओपन करिए. लेट्स ओपन द ऑर्डिनो एंड पेस्ट एंटायर कोडिंग इनसाइड द ऑर्डिनो. आप ये ऑर्डिनो में पूरी कोडिंग पेस्ट कर दीजिए. हाँ, तो आप देख सकते हो कि मैं ओपन माय ऑर्डिनो. नाउ आई कैन सिलेक्ट Ctrl+A एंड Ctrl+V. नाउ अभी आपका ये पूरा कोड यहाँ पे आ गया है. इवन आपको चेक करना है, आप ये चेक कर सकते हो, यानी ये आपका कोड बराबर है ना, इसे आप कंपाइल भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आप चेक कर सकते हो इट्स वर्किंग और नॉट. ओके, नाउ दिस कोड इज कंप्लीटली फाइन. ये कोड एग्जैक्ट आपका बराबर कोड है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन यूज दी Tinkercad with LDR. Sorry, Tinkercad you can use for simulation of Arduino, right? So thank you everyone. So कमेंट करिए अगर आपको नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट किसके, कौन से इस पे चाहिए, यानी कौन से टॉपिक पे चाहिए, so I can make a video on that. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and comment.